चलिए अब आपको लेकर चलते हैं कोयंबटूर, जहां ईशा फाउंडेशन का महाशिवरात्रि उत्सव चल रहा है। गृह मंत्री अमित शाह इस कार्यक्रम में बतौर मुख्य अतिथि शामिल हैं। ये कार्यक्रम पूरी रात चलेगा। सुबह 5:45 बजे ये कार्यक्रम खत्म होगा। महाशिवरात्रि का जो पर्व है वो धूमधाम से इस वक्त मनाया जा रहा है। ईशा फाउंडेशन में ये कार्यक्रम है जहां पर मुख्य अतिथि के तौर पर पहुंचे हैं देश के गृह मंत्री अमित शाह।
And these articles 370, abrogation of that, and bringing peace to the state, making it normal, almost normal, I would say. Today, lakhs of tourists are traveling to Kashmir. They are inviting me to come and play golf in Kashmir. I don't know when I'm going. Home Minister should tell me when it's right for me to go. And this is fantastic because we must understand, without maintaining the basic sovereignty and law and order in the country, all other aspirations of economic development, of education, of technology, of spirituality, everything will go waste if the fundamental law and order is not there and the basic geographical sovereignty of the nation is not properly established. This is a very thankless job because everybody thinks you're too hard. If you don't do it, they say you're no good. If you do it, it's too hard because there is no soft way to do this as far as I can see. So, it's a great mission that he has taken it up and doing it. Of course, all the forces, agencies, people, various state governments, everybody are participating in this, but still one who leads the job always has to be acknowledged. So our immense gratitude to you, sir, for doing this, because without this, we are sitting at a threshold where our youth are wanting to surge ahead and make this into a nation that we can be proud of, which is beginning to happen in many different ways. In the Committee of Nations today, we have a significant place which we did not have 25–30 years ago for various reasons, but bringing stability to the basic sovereignty of the nation, the geographical integrity of the nation, and law and order in the country are most vital, otherwise the picture that it gives is too bad. But this is Mahashivratri. Here, irrespective of who we are, no matter which country you belong to, what race, religion you are, this is a day of the human being. Somebody recently, a prominent journalist asked me, Sadhguru, if I am a Muslim or a Christian, can I come and enjoy Mahashivratri? I would like to come there. I said, Muslims cannot come, Christians cannot come, Hindus definitely cannot come, only human beings can come.
न्यूज नेशन अब व्हाट्सएप पर खबरों की ताजा अपडेट के लिए न्यूज नेशन के इस QR कोड को स्कैन करें।